it's Dr. Shanahan. I want to, now that I have graded some of your initial annotations and peer feedback for the first round of the Author's Craft Project, I want to give a few reminders and feedback for everyone to hear, which I've also commented in detail on your individual work, but I just want to talk for a second about, to the class about some trends that I noticed. So one, if you are the annotator, even if you're the peer reviewer, be sure to name the specific grammar technique. Okay, so use the focus grammatical elements from the modules that are part of the annotation that you're working on, and name the grammatical element. Go back to the text, go back to your notes, figure out what it is, and name it. Without a doubt, the biggest feedback that I gave to many people, both annotators and peer reviewers, is to explain the rhetorical effect and of whatever grammar technique it is, and link it to the grammar technique. So you are not just saying this is an example of an interrogative sentence, and you're not just saying this is an example of an interrogative sentence and it's sad, but you are saying this is an example of an interrogative sentence, and because the author used a question in this part of the text, it helped to create an inviting feeling because it invited readers into the text and asked them to reflect on their own experiences and how they might relate to the text. Does that make sense? You're linking the technique to the effect. This is difficult. It'll get better with time, but keep practicing it. Annotators, be sure to watch the video that your peer reviewers, the feedback that they give you, be sure to watch it and use it to help you for future annotations. And peer reviewers, be sure to talk to your peers. I'm watching them to grade them, but talk to your peers. This is for your peers. So not, I'm looking at Dr. Shanahan's annotations, for example, but it would be, hi, Dr. Shanahan, except you're not talking to me because I'm not in any of your groups. So talk to each other. Use this to connect and to pretend like this is an in-class conversation over video. So as I've sent out via email, there's no part of the project that's due this week. Phrases is a really big section in the book, so be sure to read that carefully, take notes, watch the PowerPoint, go through that, take notes so that you are prepared for the part of the project that covers phrases next week. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.